In the central Sahara, the Garamantes of Libyan antiquity engineered wind-driven granaries that stored grain using subterranean channels to regulate moisture and temperature. The episode uncovers how these early desert architects connected oasis trade routes with efficient irrigation, enabling sustained urban centers long before Roman interest in the region. Expert interviews illuminate the science behind wind towers, qanats, and subterranean corridors that cooled storerooms and protected crops from sand and heat. This discovery reshapes our view of resilience, showing how climate adaptation seeded long-distance commerce and cultural exchange. By examining these forgotten grains of ingenuity, modern arid zones gain a blueprint for sustainable storage and regional cooperation.